how old do we accept the talents?
Oh, yeah. How old and how young do we get accepting talents?
We have 16 years old,
Mag-apply si ano, si
and
Albert.
we have up to 28 years old, 30 years old.
Any chance for, let's say, teens or below 10?
Well,
We are still in the process of really, it's quite hard for us. But as Manu is saying, we're open to talents, Filipino talents who excel really in their field. So maybe, who knows?
and if we're moved, if she or he is really that brilliant, then if we're moved by it, then we must open ourselves to it. If it's really good, if a kid is like, some powerhouse, why not? We will be open to that. Mr.
Albert.
Roberts.
Albert.
Albert, sorry. Albert, sorry. Yes, sir. Question? Okay.
Kami kung pwede kong apply.
Thank you very much.
Ikaw, Mark.
Ako ulit?
Sige lang.
Sige.
Doesn't matter na sino ulit.
Sige. Yung girls, tanongin ko. Kanina pa sila pinagmamasdan kasi.
Ano na, di ba?
Kanina pa sila pinagmamasdan.
Oo nga, go.
Ayun, kasi, dito. Based on what Manu said earlier, do you agree na talagang with your, yung quality ng singing ninyo is at par already with yung mga sikat nating mga artists? Sa tingin nyo ba na-reach niyo yung level na yun na kaya niyo nang mag-solo concert? Kaya na ba?
For me po, it's really a privilege because napili kami, they saw potential sa amin. And right now, sa status namin, I know we have points for improvement, but at the same time, yung raw talent na minention kanina, that one kasi is a gift, it's a talent na you cannot just learn overnight. So, since meron po kami noon, we are really happy to share it and show it, not just in the Philippines, but international.
And also, we've started from singing in our bedrooms na we have a camera going live and then recording, posting it online, people sharing, people appreciating. And right now, nagkaroon na kami ng really good family that can help us explore our artistry and discover more sa aming mga sarili as a group na ma-develop pa namin kung ano yung meron na kami ngayon.
Sige, siya naman.
On that note, let's hear them. Come on, Grace.
Oh, sige. Yes.
Kailangan na ikaw.